The Promise Scholars Program is for anybody, regardless of where you come from, and it is a program that will help you relieve the cost and stress of going to college. Free college, so you really have to just take advantage of that.
They paid for college for my tuition and for my books.
You're gonna even get incentives to come to college.
Tango gift cards, I use them for Target, Uber.
Groceries, gift cards, gas money.
So one of the most amazing things about the Promise Scholars Program is priority enrollment, and that is essentially being able to enroll in classes much sooner than the rest of the students.
My favorite part of the Promise Scholars Program is the workshops. I like attending their workshops. Their workshops are like really helpful.
The best part of being in the Promise Scholar Program is having a counselor to be there and always check up on us and see what our plan is.
Having people be able to talk to me and walk me through every step of my application when it came to like FAFSA was, again, a blessing because at Promise it was one-on-one, and that's what I really appreciated.
The Promise Scholars Program has helped me succeed because I've been able to actually find what I'm passionate about. I found that I'm really good at making sales, and I'm really good at, creating relations with people in business.
Promise Scholars help me figure out my goals. They help, they teach, they give a lot of information.
Promise Scholars Program helped me in building community and applying to other programs like TRIO, Puente, and EOPS.
The community is very open to everyone.
You get to meet a lot of people from different backgrounds. College in itself can be intimidating, but to know that you have other students who are in the same position as you, the same year as you, you get to really make connections and even friendships.
What I would tell high school students that are really interested in the Promise Scholar Program is be yourself, be authentic, bring it to the table. We're all unique in our own way.
Take advantage of the opportunities that the program gives you.
Go out, meet new people, meet new friends, talk to your counselor, be open-minded to everything that you are offered because it is really a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Apply, you are not gonna lose anything. You're just gonna gain help, tutoring, help with your major, help with your classes.
You deserve to be welcomed into the program.
So if I can do it, you can too.
My name is Armand and I'm a Promise Scholar.
My name is Michaela. I am a Promise Scholar.
I am Alini and I am a Promise Scholar.